Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is maddening. Maddening is an adjective describing something that causes extreme annoyance, anger, irritation, or frustration, making the experience especially difficult for someone to accept or tolerate. For example, the maddening alarm beeped every 30 seconds, so Zoe unplugged the machine after an hour of failed attempts to silence it. The 3-hour wait became maddening when the repair worker never arrived or called. The clinic's maddening phone system returned every caller to the main menu instead of connecting anyone with a nurse. Synonyms for maddening include infuriating, exasperating, aggravating, vexing, and irksome. Maddening is stronger than annoying and describes something that causes intense anger, irritation, or frustration. Use it for people, delays, habits, or problems that become extremely hard to tolerate. That's maddening, one word, stronger English.